Yo guys, yo guys, this is ADEXCHAIN speaking. As you all know, I bring a very quick video for you, just a very quick one. I missed a trade, and I've been waiting for this trade. Like I've been overnight waiting for this trade, but just a nap. Took a nap for like an hour, 30 minutes to an hour or something. And I woke up and I see that the trade has played out already. You'll be like, is it village people or something? No, 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 no. That's normal. It's normal in trading. Okay. I don't overstress. Once you're in profit, once you made money, you can just leave the market and come back to understand to look for under setup. So I made a video whereby some money was made on gold yesterday, XAUSD, right? Even today, this is on the 1st of January 2023, right? All right. So yesterday was third, and this is fourth. So today's trade is on Euro USD. Understand? So the trade was missed, and I want to just show a review, a back test of how the trade plays out, so that I can know how my trade works. These are the back tests, like previous trade from last month, December. So please, guys, quick one, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on notification, and like my YouTube videos. For more videos like this, educating video like this, comment in, drop a comment in the comment box or comment section. Any video you want me or you need me to do, I am going to sacrifice my time to do it for you. Thank you, guys. So now let's move to business. This is the analysis I have drew. First of all, when I saw a bearish movement like this, I drew out my trade like this, but this played out. How this played out was that I got a movement. Okay, let me draw it from where it started playing so I can understand. From here, a trough here, it comes down here. I got another movement, blah blah. I'm just waiting for breakout. I don't really need this. This is like a double bottom here. See that, like a double bottom, but I don't trade that. I just wait for my strategy to play out. Unfortunately, the strategy slightly play out around here. Come back, it's trying to retest. I'm waiting for it to touch here so that I can go long, but it doesn't touch. You reach here. Sometimes, if I have made a lot of profit and I want to take huge risk, I may just, when I get this bullish candle, I may just buy here and boom, I will make my money. But I'm very, very cautious because this is a new year and I want to like start sniping the market, sniper entry. So when it touches here, it come and retest. This is a retest, but this retest is a weak retest. Like it's a weak candle that come and retest. It's not a strong candle that can give us a bullish movement or bearish movement or something. When it retests, it turn back to the normal position, and that is how the strategy works. As long as you're supposed to buy. But to me, I can see that the market is being manipulated or something, but I had to wait again to watch the market movement. So when it got here, I was like, okay, when I got another trophy, I was like, okay, I'll have to this point, one, and another point, which is the second one. So drawing the trend line and waiting for a breakout to go long, right? Wait for a breakout to go long. So I had to wait for the market to play out. Let's see what happens. But unfortunately, you just pull up here, it just starts coming down, coming down, coming down. It doesn't even want to go up. Can you see? Or like this trade is completely a bearish trade, completely bearish movement. So I was like, okay, I had to get my lines here. There's a lot of principles in this strategy. I used to say that a lot of principles. I draw my line here again. And you see that? Because I don't want to miss this opportunity. This is a very huge opportunity because once we see a bullish movement, it will be a very sweet profit for us. That is why I had to be very, very, very smart. And that's why I'm watching this strategy for a while, but unfortunately I missed it. I would have dropped the trade on my trading view, but it's not a problem. And it started playing out, it's still playing out. And I got another trophy here. I call this trough or weeks, another week or pimba or something. So I mark it out again, draw the trend line, draw another one. This is the first trend line I drew. This is the second one. I was like, okay, the two is still active, right? So let's watch what this trade is gonna do. I've been waiting. I waited over this time till I waited. I was monitoring the market from for blah 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 till date. This is January 3rd. Yesterday, I was monitoring trial yesterday, and I got a breakout. I was like, okay, maybe this is the time to enter the market. I started watching, keep to my chart at this time because I was like, it's going to retest, right? Because I'm expecting as the market boom, I'm expecting a retest like this or somewhere here, blah 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 blah, and boom, upside. But unfortunately, just doing as if you want to retest, but I was like, it's coming, it's coming. I was like, okay, maybe the retest is coming to happen here, right? But I was waiting, watching the market, but boom, again, it crosses the second, it breaks the second trend line, which is the alternative trend line. Because if this has play out, I won't have bother for this. This will just be a confirmation for more bullish movement, right? But now, getting this is a very good, is to me, it's like a sniper entry. If I got a double bullish candle or triple bullish candle, and not just got a retest, because this trend line are not, they are not that straight. You understand? There are different trend lines. Like a lot of principles, if I start explaining that, I will use over an hour here. But just let me move straight to the point. Immediately I got a breakout. But most times this kind of trade also is always fake, whereby once you just enter, you just start losing money. You will hit stop. But I'll be very, very careful. And what I will do around here is I wait for another bullish candle for confirmation. So let's see. Can you see that it's still coming bearish? Anybody that thought it's going, you buy here, you may hit stop. But I'm still waiting for bullish candle. Let's see. Okay, this is a bearish candle. Okay, good. We got a bullish candle here, right? So immediately I got a bullish candle, I will just pull my trade at the close point of the candle, right? At the close point of the candle, which is the next. In this kind of trade, you have to be watchful of your stop loss. I will put my stop loss below here. Stop loss can be in a different type of form in this kind of situation. If you want to take more risk, you can put stop loss here or here, either of the two. But no, to me, I may suggest here. But if I'm the one taking this, I may just put my stop loss here in case if the market just want to go against, I will just know what to do next, whether to just leave the market or find another setup for another trade. So I will be pursuing around, let's say 3 ratio, let's say 3 points, let's say 3 points, just let's say 3 ratio, right? Let's say 3 ratio. So if this trade hits my TP, I'll be making a whopping of 300% of my profit. Like if I'm risking $100, I'll be making $300. If I'm risking $8,000, I'll be making $3,000 if this trade hits my TP. So I was like, I will just wait for the next candle to play out. So boom, we hit our entry. Okay, we got a bullish candle, still moving, still moving, still moving. I don't, okay, it seems that is our TP already. It seems so. Let me see that. Boom. So that's it. Can you see that? Can you see how the market plays out? So there are a lot of people, especially a lot in this space, that crypto, forex, any financial market. A lot of people have good strategy. Like your strategy is one of the best. But what kills people that even affected me a lot before I discover it is risk management, proper risk management. If you don't understand what is called proper risk management, or you don't play proper risk management, you will keep blowing account. You'll be like, what's happening? What's happening? If it's okay, you have a pro firm account or you have an account of $5,000 or $1,000, on this account, I won't be risking more than $50. If you have a good strategy, at least out of in a month, if you get a 10 setup, out of 10 setup, if you win 7, 8, even though you win 6, you are still good. if you follow the proper risk management. Like, okay, risking $50 on each trade. Sometimes I may just say, okay, I risk $50 on this trade. Okay, let's say for instance, this is my back test, right? In this my back test. Let's go back, let's go back, let's go back, let's go back, let's go back. I start from December. Okay, this is a good example. In this point now, let's say as I hit stop loss like here, and I said, okay, any trade I'll be entering next, I risk $50 here and I lose the $50. But I was like, okay, the next trade I will be risking $100 to make $100 so that it will return my loss. And what you don't really understand again is ratio, like percent. Once your setup it like this kind of setup now, as I lost this because I was looking for bearish moment because I know that the next moment is supposed to be bearish. It has been bullish so far, and my strategy has followed. My strategy has respected the bullish movement so far. Now it is now for the trade to con is now for the trade to respect my strategy now. But I'm not the market. The market is not for me. You understand? So I can't expect the trade to respect my strategy though. But let's wait. Let's see what happens. So when I draw my stuff, I stop. I was like, wow. I'll be like, wow, this I've lost money. Okay, let's wait for another setup. I got another setup. I was like, okay, this setup now I have to be careful with it. And let's assume that okay, I target two ratio here. That okay, $50 to make um $100 because I've lost 50 here already, right? So 200%. I want that would be $50 to make that would be around is it not $200 because I want my profit back. You understand? So because I was like I've lost 50 here already, so I want to make the money back. Let's say I go to 1:3 or 3.5, or just let's assume that okay, I come to my trend line, my EMA here that okay, it's supposed to retest yet or to bounce back or to break it down. So this four issue, that would be $200. I'll make it 200. That means I've made my loss here and I've made $150 extra of profit. So that is how trading works. Again, it stop here. I was like, okay, I stop here. I got another setup here. I made my money back. I made money here. I made money here. It stop here. I got another setup here. I made my money back. Here also, it was a sniper movement, entry and go. But this kind of movement is very rare to enter. Here also, I stop. Here is a very slight trade. You may not this kind of trade. If you are not careful, you will hit stop loss. And unfortunately, I made 100%. 100% was made here after the loss was 2K. That is, if you are not expecting, if I'm not expecting 200%. You understand? So 100% was made here. And like that. I have a trader I've back to back it stop loss on two, it seems two or three. Okay, two. There's two stop loss here. And it's take profit, stop loss again, take profit, take profit, take profit, stop loss again, take profit, take profit, take profit, take profit, stop loss. Can you see that? So that's how it was. The game is very simple, man. Like I can't say it's simple because for newbie, like people that doesn't have experience at all, it may not be simple. It'll be like what's happening. But once you know what you're doing, risk management is the major important. No strategy is 100%. But once you know what we call risk management, like you use proper risk management, like I'll be risking this and you follow it. You understand? And your psychological level is very important. Your like psychology, how you how you handle a trade. Like okay, maybe I took a loss. How you feel? Because some people will be like, I took a loss. You want to play back, like you want to revenge on the market that okay, this kind of trade, I'll be make sure I'm risking on my account or I'm doing this. That's how you play account. Be like, wow. And some people may be lucky, you just boom and be like, wow, I made $5,000. We just risking $3K or $1K or $500, blah blah blah. I love that. But don't revenge. I have done a lot of things. I will be like, I will revenge the market and I will collect what. I'll be like, what is happening? I'll be like, I lost back to back twice. Okay, just let me look for a good setup and just let me revenge. In the aspect of revenge, maybe the market just move against me just a little bit. It doesn't hit my stop, but just a little bit. And you have opened a lot size more than your account. You just say boom, you upload your account, and the next thing be like, wow. The only thing that I can say that I don't blow account, but the only thing I can say that happened is okay, if I deposit $100 in the account, okay, I'm ready to lose all the $100. That is normal. But there's difference between blowing account and be like, well, you go broke or you don't have anything to do again. But you have to be careful in trading. You are extremely careful. I backtest my strategy every week. Even though after this trade player, I will still go back and backtest. Like this kind of trade now is bearish. There's the possibility of seeing more bullish movement. Understand? So I can if this candle from here drops very well. See from here now, if it drops very well, yeah, I will be drawing my trend, my line from here with a lot of confirmation. I have a lot of confirmation that I used, indicators, blah blah blah, that I used to confirm to go long and where to take my profit. You understand? But this kind of trade, I believe, is going to come down very well because I want a drop down, a bearish moment, slight bearish moment, like a higher high, lower high, and I want to break out of another higher high and a retest of another lower high, and boom, another higher high. So this kind of trade, I will just put my stop loss at break even, like at the entry point, and let's see what happens because I believe we are still in bullish movement. So that is all for now, guys. That is all for now, guys. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on notification, and like my video. For more video like this, go to the comment section. Comment below what you need or which video you need me to do for you, and I will sacrifice my time to do it and post to my YouTube channel. So thank you very much, guys. Please don't forget, I'm also a crypto trader. Like I trade crypto, but I just decided to move to FOREX due to crypto market movement. You understand? For any education you need about crypto or FOREX, the financial market, just comment below. I'm going to sacrifice my time. If I find spare time, sacrifice this for you to do the video. So thank you very much, guys. Have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you. This is ADEXCHAIN, as you all know. This is ADEXCHAIN, as you all know. Peace.